Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm recording this video on 11th of May 2017, and this is actually a follow-up video for the one I posted on 7th of May. This is on Berkshire Hathaway stock, Warren Buffett company. And if you have not watched that video, I would recommend that you watch that first before you watch this. That way it makes more sense. Um, you can find that video in the same playlist. All right, so in the earlier video, I had mentioned that I see a triangle here. Let me just draw that for you again, and that it could potentially break out. It could potentially break out, and it would start to move up like this, move up to the first target, which is somewhere around 176, and then it could also potentially go up further, was my expectation. But then guess what? That's not what happened. What is new in stock market? You expect something and something else happens. But no need to fear, because you don't have to always win. You have to just follow your methodology, and the winning will take care of itself. But nevertheless, even in this instance, this stock, we still are not in the wrong side. It could still turn around and start moving up. I see a lot of telltale signs for that to happen. So that's what I'm going to talk about today. All right. So let me just take care of this mouse control, and let me just put in a little horizontal line here underneath here under today's price action. So today the market created a beautiful hammer pattern. If you noticed, today the morning kind of started to crash down a lot, and then all the news agencies are saying that you know stock market is losing hundreds of points, and everything looked very gloomy this morning. But then eventually in the afternoon, market started to recover and went back up, which you can clearly see in this candle pattern. That's how hammers are created. So what happens is when the market goes down like this, and then middle of the day it starts to turn around, and sometimes it even goes up like this. So what happens is, this is the top, and this is the open, and this is the bottom, right? So if you connect these two and here, then what you get is the hammer pattern. So hammer pattern signifies that even though the market was trying to sell off, it could not be sold off, because there was a lot of support here buying the market, and that's why it came back up, which is a very good bullish signal. All right. With that side note away, let's see what is causing us to think that the market is likely to start to move up starting tomorrow. So if you can see that, I have drawn a horizontal line, and I can see that sometime in February there was a little doji pattern that was supported in this market, and then again I can see that one more doji, and then market skyrocketed all the way to the 27% extension, and then obviously it was dropped from there, only to come to the same support level that was previously created sometime in February and early March, or maybe not, only in February. March starts from here. So in sometime in February, perhaps in January, 30th I think is January. All right, anyway, um, the market was supported once, twice, thrice. Now guess where we are today? We are at the same level. So this is a level of significance. So it's quite possible that there may be a bullish candle tomorrow. I've been looking for bullish candle, guys, for a long time. So there could be a bullish candle of some sort, and then that would mean that it would be a very good place. In fact, much better than this location that I was talking about in my earlier video. This would be a much better point to go long, and potentially keep the stop somewhere around beneath this line, because if this line is going to be broken, then obviously market is going to be going down a little bit further. So, but I would think that that would be unlikely to happen, even though nobody knows, anything can happen in the market. But the probability of Berkshire Hathaway starting to go up from tomorrow is there for sure. Okay, so that's what I wanted to tell you today, and if that happens, then it could start to slowly move to the upside. All right, so that is all I have for today, ladies and gentlemen, on this particular stock, and I hope you find this video informative. And if you like this video and would like to be notified of my new videos, please feel free to subscribe. And if you like this video, why don't you give me a thumbs up? All right, so I'll talk to you soon, guys. Take care. Have a good one. Bye bye.